The camera pans across a modern, sleek smart home filled with high-tech gadgets and devices. Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 surprising ways that smart homes can instantly improve your focus. Let's dive right in. The camera zooms in on a smart thermostat that adjusts the temperature according to the user's preferences. Main story point 1. 1. Temperature control. Did you know that the right temperature can significantly impact your focus? Smart thermostats allow you to set and maintain the perfect temperature for maximum productivity. Main story point 2. 2. Lighting control. Smart lighting systems can help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, enhancing your focus during the day and promoting better sleep at night. The camera shows a smart speaker playing calming music to enhance focus. Incorporating smart home devices into your daily routine can truly transform your focus and productivity levels. So why wait? Start upgrading your home today. Uplifting ending sentence. Stay focused, stay productive, and let your smart home help you reach your full potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mind-blowing potential of quantum computing growth that has been revealed in recent years. One of the key points to note is the exponential growth in quantum computing power. With the ability to process complex calculations at an incredibly fast rate, quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, and even cybersecurity. Furthermore, quantum computing has the capability to solve problems that are currently unsolvable with classical computers. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for scientific advancements and technological breakthroughs. As we continue to witness the rapid growth of quantum computing, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. The future is bright, and we can't wait to see the incredible innovations that will come from this groundbreaking technology. Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of tech. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks and how they can help boost your confidence. It's incredible how our brains work, isn't it? Neural networks are like the pathways in our brain that help us process information and make decisions. When it comes to self-esteem, these networks can either work in our favor or hold us back. By understanding how they function, we can actively work on improving our confidence levels. One key point to remember is that neural networks are malleable. This means that with the right mindset and practice, we can rewire our brain to break free from negative thought patterns and boost our self-esteem. It's all about training our minds to focus on the positive and build a strong foundation of self-belief. So, the next time you're feeling unsure of yourself, remember that you have the power to shape your confidence with the help of neural networks. Believe in yourself and watch as your self-esteem naturally grows stronger. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. Stay confident and keep shining bright. Hashtag neural networks, hashtag self-confidence, hashtag empowerment. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to boost confidence in machine learning effortlessly. The first key to boosting your confidence in machine learning is to start small. Begin by tackling simpler tasks and gradually work your way up to more complex challenges. This will help build your skills and confidence over time. Next, don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance from experts in the field. Join online communities, attend workshops, and engage in discussions to learn from others' experiences and gain valuable insights. Remember, building confidence in machine learning is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your wins, learn.
Hey there, do you ever feel like your self-esteem could use a little boost? Well, I've got just the thing for you. ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that can help you improve your self-esteem by providing personalized affirmations and encouragement. All you have to do is chat with ChatGPT like you would with a friend, and it will respond with uplifting messages that are tailored to your needs. Not only does ChatGPT provide support and positivity, but it can also help you set goals and track your progress towards building your confidence. With its non-judgmental and unbiased feedback, you can feel comfortable sharing your thoughts and feelings without fear of criticism. So if you're ready to boost your self-esteem and start feeling better about yourself, give ChatGPT a try today. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. Uplift yourself with ChatGPT and watch your self-esteem soar.